Hi creative people, it's Leah. Welcome back to my channel where I create videos that helps your brand turn its followers into paying customers. In today's video, I'm going to let you know what's the difference between e-commerce and social commerce. So stick around and let's get straight into it. E-commerce enables brands to sell products and services via the internet. Types of e-commerce include business to business, consumer to business, consumer to consumer, and consumer to business. E-commerce is also known as electronic commerce and can be a substitute and additional to a retail store. E-commerce also requires the transfer of money and data in order to complete transactions. So on to the next, social commerce. What is social commerce? Social commerce enables brands to leverage social media platforms to sell products. This allows social media app users to purchase products within their social media environment. So this is an example of social commerce versus e-commerce, and I hope this information has been helpful to you and you now better understand the difference between social commerce and e-commerce. If you like this video or my example, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos around social commerce and e-commerce, and don't forget to turn on the bell so YouTube notifies you when I post these videos. I really thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next one where I will be making a lot more useful content to help you in your social commerce and e-commerce journey and help you build a better, bigger brand. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.